You can see in my swatch that this cable should be going this way, and it's going the wrong way. So I'm going to drop down and fix that cable. Now I've just worked across the backside row, and I'm due for another cable row. So I'm going to knit to my cable, and then I'm going to drop down. Now here's where my cable should go. I'm going to transfer these 4 stitches in the cable column to a spare needle, and I'm just going to get everything else kind of out of the way. Now I'll just release these 4 stitches from the cable needle, and I'm just going to unravel each row until I get to my cable row. Now here's my backside row, then a front side, then my backside row. So this is my cable row. And now watch, I'll just undo this cable and watch the stitches untwist. There we go. Okay. And so I need these first 2 stitches to twist in the front. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put 2 stitches on each cable needle. And then I'm going to bring these 2 to the front. And then I'll put them all on 1 DPN. And there we go. It's twisted the right way this time. Now all I have to do is knit these 4 stitches. So I'll take my lowest yarn here, always making sure it's the lowest, and I'll knit these 4 stitches. Got a little bit of a split stitch here. There we go. Now I just want to even out the tension a little, and you can see I've got some slack right here. So I'm just going to pull some of that through to try and even out my stitches so it doesn't look too sloppy. There we go. Now, since I'm working on just the front side rows, I'm just going to knit up each of these rows. Every row will just be knit stitches. So I'll just knit all 4 of these. And this one's a little too short, so I will just put that last float there on my needle and knit this way. Again, evening out the tension. I'll do the same thing again, knitting all 4 stitches. And this is my last row. Again, knitting all 4 stitches. And then I'm going to transfer these 4 stitches back onto my holding needle, which for a right-handed knitter is my left-handed needle. And here we go. You can see now all the cables are going the correct way. And now I'm going to put my stitches back on my needle so that I'm ready to work the cable. And now I just work as normal. I take my first 2 stitches, hold to front, knit the next 2, and then knit the 2 off the cable needle. Voila!